ChatGPT, Travel and Tourism. What is ChatGPT and how is it used in travel and tourism? Imagine being able to provide every tourist that visits your region with a personalized travel experience tailored just for them. It's not a dream. It's a reality with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model created by OpenAI that can provide personalized travel recommendations to tourists based on their interests and preferences. By partnering with ChatGPT, you can offer tourists a customized travel experience that will keep them coming back to your destination. ChatGPT is available 24/7, so tourists can access it anytime and anywhere. It's perfect for those who prefer to plan their own trips or for those who want quick and reliable travel advice. You can customize ChatGPT to showcase your destination's unique selling points and recommend local attractions, restaurants, and accommodations. ChatGPT can also provide tourists with insider tips on local customs, culture, and events to help them immerse themselves in your destination's unique experience. By integrating ChatGPT into your destination's website, social media, or mobile app, you can enhance the user experience and provide valuable resources for tourists. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for destination marketing experts who want to offer customized travel recommendations and enhance the overall tourist experience. So, why not partner with ChatGPT and showcase your destination to the world? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more.